Now we're going to be speaking about Blastomycosis dermatitis. So this is going to be essentially going to be around, I would say, 13 figures that we need to keep in mind over here. Basically over here we have the cannon blast, which represents blastomycosis dermatitis. The second thing is going to be the map, which is going to be like, it's going to be telling us that this is going to be more like eastern, central United States, Ohio, Mississippi rivers, the Great Lake regions. Next is going to be the butterfly, cold, mold, yeast. Then after that, we can see this person is breathing in dust. So this can be, you can breathe in these through endospores. You have inhalation of mold spores. We kind of spoke this in our last video about blastomycosis, histoplasma capsulitum, that you can get this from inhalation of mold spores. And we're going to be speaking a little bit about mold in a moment. Then we can see over here that there's going to be these rocks at the bottom. So these are yeast, so small broad budding with double cell wall, approximately the same size of red blood cells. So blastomycosis are going to be broad budding yeast, as we see by the rocks. And then we want to come back into this photo and come into the lungs. So we can see over here, I have a nerve over here. So we can see that the chest X-ray, dust in the cloud. So we can see chest X-ray finding a blastomycosis are higher variable, but commonly include patchy opacities and densities. So we can see that they can lead to granuloma formation essentially. We can see this person who has a cane over here at the horse. So that's representing immunocompromise. And then we can see the statue erosion. So it can affect the skin, so causing the papules, pustules, ulcers, and varicose lesions. Then we have the exposed bones, so that can cause lytic lesions in the bone. Then we have over here 11, which is going to be the yellow river. So it can be detected in body fluids such as the urine, very similar to histoplasma capsulitum. It can be detected in the body fluids. So for example, the urine or anything like that. Okay, and then we can see over here we can have the pike cones. So we can have the same pike cones as previously. So we can know, oh, this is going to be the azoles, and the last one is going to be that this is going to be with the frogs, Amphotericin B, or any disseminators. So quickly going to recap blastomycosis dermatitis. So the first we want to look at the cannon blast, blastomycosis dermatitis. Second thing you want to look at is going to be the map. So this can affect Eastern America, Central America, the Ohio, the Great Lakes. Okay. The next thing is you guys want to look at is going to be the butterfly. So this is going to be cold mold. And then heat yeast. So the fact that it is cold mold, then we can inhale that. That's next in the dust. It can be inhaled, which is how we can get affected. Then we can see it can form problems in the lungs, and it can lead to granuloma formation. So essentially, this can lead to pulmonary granuloma. So broad budding, same as the cannonballs means broad budding, and it's going to be same size as red blood cells. And we can see over here that this is going to be causing patchy opacities and densities. And then we can see they can lead to granuloma formation. We can see over here there's going to be immunocompromised as well. Then we can see can affect the skin, so it can lead to pustules, plaques, ulcers, varicose lesions. Then we can see exposed bones, so this can cause the osteomyelitis over here. And then we can see the river at the back. That's going to be help us to remember that this is going to be involving the it can be detected in the body fluids. Then we can see these pike cones on the side. That means we can treat azoles, and then frog means amphotericin. So, guys, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time.